Blue starting. Garage.
Garage, and then your respawn is asylum.
I wish I'd gotten there. So do I. I don't get on my knees very often though, so.
If I shoot one of them, I just gotta go up to them. How long do they stay down? 10 seconds?
10 seconds.
I have a feeling we're not going to get chance until the grips are going to get these stunts to be really
Yeah.
fun.
2. Okay.
Where's our,
3 fire teams of 2.
Yeah, where's our...
Okay. You're together. You and me. We're 1, 2.
Not ready! Hey, bro. I was trying to try this shit on, and I followed the guns, and I went to there.
Okay. Y'all are fire team 3. Okay.
Me and him.
Right. Y'all are gonna go to the right. You two are gonna take the center. Me and
There's no objective. All we gotta do is stay alive and recover.
to the window area. If we can advance, advance.
Okay.
Because we don't want to tag somebody behind. Judson on me. They're I got one coming to the right. We converged too hard on him. Hold on. I was gonna say, hold your fire. I don't know what's going on right now. Hold on. Enforcer on the field. Come on.
I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, so...
Well, that's the thing. If y'all start.
Just make it easier.
All right. Well, I mean, they have a point. If they get caught there.
What's the point of this? If we don't hear from Stone, we're stuck in the silence.
Wait, they can't because they're open on that wall. And if we're too fast for them, pin them down, and that's it.
They're mainly mad because I killed 3 of them in the road.
Okay. Yeah, go with Daniel. You think so?